This 2026 Keystone Passport Classic 284 QBC is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 10, microwave, refrigerator, smoke detector, awning, TV, water heater, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Keystone Passport Classic 284 QBC is 5,840 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.